Hello there. Today we're going to quickly go over how to start a corporation in Georgia with the Georgia Corporations Division. All these filings, whether online or through a PDF form, must be done with in compliance to Title 14 of the 2014 Georgia Code. You can click on this for the state statutes, and there's more links within these statutes for foreign corporations and domestic corporations. The filing fees associated with domestic entities wishing to form within the state of Georgia are $100, while foreign entities will have to pay $225. Should also be noted that foreign entities, when filing with the Secretary of State, are going to have to provide a certificate of existence, which is a document that proves that you have complied to your own state's laws and that you have the status of active within that state. So, first step, how to file. First thing you want to do, as with any entity, is choose a name. To make sure that that name is not already being used within the state of Georgia and it's completely unique, you can do a business database search. So click here, and we've got a short instructions guide on how to go about doing that online. The foreign businesses, if they found out that the name that they're using in another, in their original country or state is being used in Georgia, you can use a fictitious name. Um, but I'm assuming most would rather not do so, so you can also perform a name reservation, which will cost you $25, lasts up to 30 days, tutorial for which is here. But yeah, once you finish choosing your name and you decided upon one, you can now click here to either go to the domestic tutorial or here for the foreign. You got to choose, what kind of corporation you'd like to form. So there's profit, non-profit, and professional. And then we have foreign, profit, non-profit, and professional as well. Clicking on here will bring you to both the online and the PDF functions for both of those. If you've decided to file online, the authorized officer will be able to provide all the necessary information and make the payment of the filing fee using their credit card. So that's much more simple to file online for regardless of whether it's domestic or foreign. Paper filings, however, you'll need to attach probably your with the articles of incorporation transmittal form, or if you're making a certificate of authority, you're going to need to bring your certificate of good standing. You're going to want the original copy plus another copy of each one of those. Then the other form that you need that I just mentioned, and the filing fee for $100 if domestic, $225 if foreign. Throw all that in an envelope and send it to this address down here and await confirmation. It usually takes about 5 to 7 business days, provided that they're not completely overrun, in which case on the website they indicated that it would take about 10 to 12 business days, but for the most part should be within the week. A few tips on filing for a corporation. You're going to want to acquire an employment identification number after. If you click on this link or any one of these, you're going to be brought to our tutorial on how to go about doing that. Essentially, it's an identifier for the IRS for tax reporting purposes, and also any business, regardless if it's a corporation or not, is going to want to get one so they can open bank accounts and apply for lines of credit, things like that. You're just not going to be able to do without an EIN. Your corporate bylaws are a set of documents that you draft. We have a template for them here, though. That will just contain any provision regarding the operation of your corporation. This isn't already done in the articles usually unless you do it, but this is sort of something that you draft as a guideline for how you plan on running your company, and also the distribution of responsibility amongst managing members. This isn't going to be documented anywhere else unless you do it yourself. So I and pretty much everybody recommends that new corporations draft of corporate bylaws. Finally, the renewal of your business has to happen each year by filing what is called an annual registration form. For a profit corporation, it's going to cost about $50, and nonprofit it's going to be $30. This is something that has to be done, seeing as we're forming for the first time here or registering for the first time, within 90 days of filing. Otherwise, it's going to have to be filed between January 1st and April 1st of each year. If you fail to pay out in time, you're going to have to pay, you're going to have to give another $500. So clearly you want to file before April 1st. But yeah, that's just to remain in good standing with the state. Besides that, if you want more information on each type of corporation, I recommend clicking on the tutorials here. But I hope this was helpful for you. Take care.